Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you 1 in and 2 out pneumatic valves for the EPS recycling system. The EPS cutting line supports cutting white EPS block and graphite EPS block. After the up and down recycling system, the corresponding recycled materials need to enter the corresponding recycling silo. At the fan location, a 1 in and 2 out pneumatic valves needs to be installed to send different waste materials to different material silo. It is possible to pre-select which silo to use on the touchscreen and control the switching of the 2 pipelines with automatic valves. This is everything. For more information, please reach us by email. I will see you next video.